Hello and a big namaste, my friends. Welcome to this episode. Today we are going to make the healthy version of a delicious butter chicken. Let's get to work, guys. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description box down for you. You're gonna need a ton of spices. Let's start with salt, black pepper. Then you're also gonna need red chili flakes, garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander seed powder, and garlic powder, which is optional. I just love it and add it to almost everything. Next, you're gonna need low-fat curd. You're also gonna need chicken breast and tomato paste, ginger, garlic, onions, cilantro, tomatoes, and low-fat cream. Let's get to work. So the first step is to wash and cut your chicken breast in pieces. Once this is done, you're gonna add your chicken breast into a bowl, add your low-fat yogurt or curd, and then add all your spices. That's it, guys. Now you're gonna give it a nice stir. Make sure everything is covered with this deliciousness. It's very important to immerse the entire chicken breast, the entire meat, with this spice and curd mix. This will make the meat super tender. Now, once you mixed everything nicely together, leave it aside for 1 hour. Now it's time to heaten up your pan on medium heat. Add your ghee, homemade obviously, link is down below, and then just add your chicken and fry it. Adjust the heat if needed. I need to put mine here a little higher, otherwise it will not cook so fast. And then we just leave it. There is enough fat and enough water in this mixture so that it will cook nicely. Just keep an eye on it and let it simmer. And as you can see, the magic starts to happen. Once your chicken looks like this, it's time to take it out of the pan, put it aside, and add your onions. Since this is a low-calorie version, I tried to add just minimal ghee again so that the onions are not burning. And then I just let them caramelize a little bit. You do as you like. You can caramelize the onions longer or shorter. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's 2 to 3 minutes and then add your chopped garlic. It also doesn't matter if it's chopped very small because we're gonna mix everything nicely together later. It's just about getting these nice aromas into it. Next is time to add the ginger and the tomato paste. Now make sure that you really mix everything nicely together, and it doesn't matter if the tomato paste is a little bit burning because this will enhance the flavor. It gets those nice roasty flavors. Tomato paste likes to get slightly burned. Believe it or believe it not, go make your own research and write me in the comment section. I am super curious what you will find out. Once your onion, garlic, tomato mix looks like this, it's time to add your chopped tomatoes. Mix everything nicely together. Time to add some more salt and pepper to your own taste. some more turmeric for the beautiful color. Since I had a lot of water in my butter chicken mixture, I will just fry my tomatoes a little bit in that water. I don't even know where all this water comes from because I just had the curd and the chicken. But still, I think it is flavor enhancing, and I will cook my tomatoes here in this water. It already looks delicious. I mean, I wish you could smell the kitchen, guys. It's unbelievable that this healthy version can actually smell that good. Like, I can't wait to eat that because this is really nice during the week as a meal prep meal. So make sure you try this recipe out and leave me your ideas and comments about it. Next, you're gonna put your tomato mixture in a bowl and then just mix everything nicely together till you get a nice smooth paste. Beautiful. I love that. That's one of my most favorite recipes. I just love how easy it is and that you get all the ingredients combined together and that you do not throw anything away and just eat all the healthy parts of the plants. Super, super creamy and thick it looks. Look at this. Now guys, once you added this mixture back to your pan, make sure you always regulate the heat because this is making a big mess in your kitchen, and it's also very hot and hurts when it kind of like sprinkles on you. So make sure you're there and you keep stirring. And next we're gonna add our low fat cream version here. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below in the description box so that you exactly can get it. And next I'm also gonna work on the links on Amazon so that you can just order everything easily. Meanwhile, you keep stirring. Look at this, and it just gets creamier and creamier. If it's too liquidy for you, you just leave this mixture without anything on top. Just leave it there and let it like simmer, and once the water is going away, it's gonna get thick. Next, we're gonna add our yogurt, a little bit more curd. Look at how creamy this looks. I mean, I can't believe this is a balanced, low-calorie meal. You should just really smell the kitchen. This is what I love about Indian food. It is just so rich and healthy, and you don't even need much oil or many calories. It's just due to the spice mixes that everything just tastes amazing. I just tried to mixture for myself. I need more salt, so I adjust the salt here. Next, I'm gonna add my chicken to the mixture so that the entire meat gets the flavor of this delicious sauce. Make sure you mix everything nicely together so that the entire meat is covered by the delicious sauce, and then let it simmer on medium heat. And then of course we're gonna add a little bit of butter because this is butter chicken. If you are not on diet, or if this is your cheat meal, or if you just don't care about any calories at all, just add way more butter, at least like, I don't know, 50 grams, something like that. But in this case, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon, which is absolutely enough for this purpose. And it will taste amazing. Then I put the lid on and let it simmer. And then look at this. Once you see the little fat coming up like this, it's just tiny bit, but it looks already thick. This is what we want. We want it to look like this. Everything is immersed. The entire kitchen is just smelling different. Like all of the flavors are now combined, and just let your mouth water just run. This butter chicken is done, and meanwhile mom made delicious Persian basmati rice. Look at this, amazing. We made the low calorie version. I'm gonna definitely make a video about that, how I meal prep my rice when I eat a little bit more balanced during the week. It's beautiful. It looks still fluff, and it just smells gorgeous. You also could take some parathas or naan bread or noon lavage, whatever you like. Butter chicken is yum with everything. Look at this delicious thick sauce. Oh my gosh, I just love this. One of my utmost top 10 recipes, guys. Really, really nice one. Super easy to make and low in fat and just amazing for meal prep. Add a little bit of your chopped cilantro on top. Coriander is life. I know some people do not like it at all, but I just love it. And now it's time for trying this deliciousness. Hallo, oh, hier drüber ist er. Hallo!
Hallo,
Hallo, Mom. Schön, dass du hier bist. Hallo.
Hallo.
Nice. Hello, guys.
Hello, hello.
Welcome back. We are going to try this deliciousness, and Mom is here. Hello, Mom.
Hello, hello.
Today we are making healthy, low fat, low carb, low everything butter chicken. It's Indian. Hello guys, hello Mom,
Hello,
welcome
Nancy.
back. Hello guys, welcome back. Hello Mom.
Hello, Nazi.
Today we made
Yeah.
butter chicken, but the fitness version. It's with lower fat. So I'm very curious if Mom likes it. The smell is
Wow.
amazing, like so good.
Lecker.
Oh, amazing. So,
Lecker.
Mom, bitteschön. We have the same thing here as a meal prep with basmati rice. So you guys can choose whether you want to have it with roti or with basmati rice. Mom, کدومشو میخوای بخوری؟
Ich
با
freue
برنج
mich erst.
mit Reis?
Ja, mit Reis möchte ich probieren.
Okay, then there you go. I'm gonna try it with the roti.
Wow.
So,
چقدر خوشاب و رنگ.
very nice color, Mom said. So this is the color. Look at this. Nusha June.
بچه ها خوشاب و رنگ ترین غذای هندی فکر
Cheers.
میکنم. فکرم درست بود. خوشمزه ترین.
So good. This is diet food. How? So good.
زولکا خیلی سلامت، یک غذای رژیمیه. من دیگه نازی با این رژیم
Mom
میخوام
said
بگیرم.
she just want to diet with this food. If this is for diet, she just wants to have this recipe and she just gonna eat butter chicken. Guys, try it out. Let us know what you think. Write us in the comments. If you're from India and you have a better version of the recipe, let me know. And we also gonna make obviously the no diet version, but I thought we're gonna start with this one. Have a beautiful evening. Thank you so much for watching.
دست درد
Bye.
نکنه.
دست
خیلی
شما درد
خوشمزه
نکنه.
بود. مرسی.
So good. بابا خیلی خوشمزه است.
خیلی.
واو.
بچه ها جای همگی خالی. امیدوارم که حتما درست کنین بپزین بخورین.
So good. I love Indian food. It's just amazing. Bye. Guys. guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.